I just want to tell you the experience I'm having in my own home. My microwave can be haunted. It gets haunted sometimes, and it moves by itself. I don't know why. Is there anybody here? If you are, could you move that tray again? Maybe if I put some food in it. If there's... You're bothering me. Get down. If there's somebody here... Just move that tray. Could you move the food, please? They're doing it. They're doing it. Could you stop it? Could you stop? Could you please stop? Will you stop moving that, please? Could you stop? Stop moving it, please. Fucking weird, man. Alright. We're gonna try again. If somebody is here, could you move the tray? If somebody's here, make that tray thing move. I know you can do it. Somebody here? Are you hungry? Do you want some food? I've always wondered, what does it look like from there? Can you see me? If somebody's there, could you please move that tray when I open the door? Maybe you can go for a ride. Ride with the haunted things. Ooh. I mean, I want to let you know you are stuck inside this microwave, and there is absolutely nothing behind it. It's plugged in. I'm going to sit you right there on top of my food. If somebody's hungry, they're going to move it. If somebody's here, please move the tray when I open the door. Come on. You've done this before. Where are you? I don't know why it's not working now. Maybe they decided to leave. I tell you, every time I open this damn thing, this thing's always turning by itself, and now I just don't want to continue it. I don't think they want to be filmed.
Whoever's here, I demand you to move this again. I need proof to know that you're here. Please, don't make me look like a loser on YouTube.
Hello? It smells like frozen food in here. Oh yeah, I gotta cook that. Oh well. Let's go ahead and cook this. Oh, look, it's moving.